Yes, let's look at this question number 49 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. Which of the following properties would not influence electrovalent bond formation? Option A, electronegativity. B, electron affinity. C, ionization potential. D, catalytic ability. So which of these properties would not influence electrovalent bond formation? Now, once you are supposed to have electrovalent bond formation, whenever you hear about electrovalent bond formation, just know that we are talking about ionic bonding. Know that we are talking about what? Ionic bonding. So what are the things that affect ionic bonding? Number one is what we call electronegativity. That is how positively powerful or negatively powerful a given element is. Very, very important. Where it is placed in the electrochemical series. Where the very element is placed in the electrochemical series is very, very important. That's electronegativity. Then number two is what we call electron affinity. This electron affinity is also dependent on the electronegativity. That's the ability to accept electron. The ability for one element to accept the electron of the other element in its outermost shell. So the ability to accept this, to get this single electron transferred to this one. So if this is chlorine having 7 in the outermost shell, and this is sodium having 1, the ability for this to attract this one to complete it to 8 is electron affinity. It also affects ionic bonding. Then number 3 thing that affects is the ionization potential. Ionization potential. That's the its ability to receive in order to be charged negative, and this one ability to release electron, to be charged positive, to be ionized. Whenever you're talking about ionization, you're talking about conversion to something that has charge, ions, formation of ions. This ability to form ion, and if it can form ion easily, it can form electrovalent bonding easily. So these are the 3 things that affect them: electronegativity, electron affinity, and ionization. So that makes D the answer. Catalytic ability does not have anything to do with this electromagnetic. It does not have anything to do with electrovalent bonding or ionic bonding. So that is the answer to this problem.